Okay, so I've been going shopping, trying to get ready for all my DIYs and my embroideries that I'm going to be showing on my YouTube channel. Unfortunately, I couldn't do the rest of my embroidery designs because I was out of the minky. So I had to go to Joann's, buy some more. So I did. Now I have enough. And I also wanted to make sure I had enough batting as well. I love the warm and white, especially for anything that's a baby related. I don't want the like cream color because it could show through the fabric, and white is better. Then I had to go to the clearance aisle. You know, clearance is like my favorite thing in the world. Don't know why. So I found these cues. They were $1.97. So I'm thinking outside the box. And these would make great wreaths. Holiday wreaths. So I can do one then as fall. I can do one in Christmas. And have one in spring. I'm just going to sort of use what I already have. I'll probably drill some holes for strings to go through. That'll be a good start for that. So I bought 3 of those. Can't beat it. $6, you know. Sometimes you want something a little bit more sturdier, so I figured wood would be better. And there was tons of the cues, so go look at the clearance aisle in Joann's. Then I went to Hobby Lobby and they had these, and you can actually do some paint work on like wood or crafts, and I just had to get it. So this one was a truck and give thanks. This one is a pumpkin with fall leaves. I thought that would be cool. They were all 50% off, so I had to buy those. And here's some more stuff from Hobby Lobby when I was there. Had to buy some fur. And had to buy some, like, corduroy that was red. I plan on doing a project with a Santa. So that was important. And there's some more fur. So then I went to Walmart. Got me some floral ties. I thought that would be a good idea because I have a lot of stuff I need to use for. Went down the clearance aisle. We all know they got rid of the Waverly paint at Walmart. I don't know why. I like Waverly. A lot of other people like Waverly paint. So this was in the clearance and it was $6.85. So I bought it because I couldn't find any more of it. That was the first one I bought. Then that was Elf. That is ink. So that's a big bottle of ink. This one is the Waverly Steel, and I got it for $5.23. What a steal, right? Then I went and got some of their white new chalk paint, their hobby paint that they just got. I'm going to test it out. They didn't have any more of the Waverly, so I figured I was going to try to buy as much clearance stuff as I could. They didn't have any more, so, but I got those ones right there. Also got an elephant one. I already opened it up and started using it. So I got the elephant. It's in the same size as this. It was like 5 something. So I got a big one like this, an elephant. It's over there on my table. I was using it for a project already. So you know how that goes. Then they have the chalk for their Hello Hobby paint. And it's pumpkin. I wanted some pumpkin because I do a lot of fall stuff. And I thought that would be cool. So I got that one. And then I got one for the deep red, which I haven't used it yet. And I'm hoping it's a really nice color for like the trucks and stuff for the red trucks. So I got that one. And that's in the Hello Hobby from Walmart as well. Then I went, oh, here's some more stuff I got from Walmart. I know, I'm buying a lot of stuff. You know what? I don't have a lot of crafty stuff, so I had to do it. First thing I bought was some Gorilla Glue, wood glue, because the glue that we have downstairs is Elmer's wood glue. It doesn't seem to be strong enough for the craft project I'm doing. So, bought a few picks for the cues I'm going to use, and I'm going to do a video on that. So here's some of the picks I'm going to use. I also got some ribbon for that as well. I thought this was cute. And I have another contrasting ribbon I've had forever that I'm going to use with this. Then I found this. And then there's another one that I've already took out because I was being, you know, sort of silly. And seeing if it'll fit inside the snow globe from Dollar Tree. And it does. So this is a dog hiking its leg. And that's going to be a really cool snow globe. But I had to see if it fit. You know how it is. So I'll put it back in here so I don't forget where it's at when I start my snow globes. Which I am going to do snow globes on YouTube. I'll put that back in there so we don't lose him. So I got this one too. I think it's too big for the snow globe, but I really like it. It'll go good in my little things I have going on my end table. And then, you know how I love, these are Thanksgiving napkins. I just couldn't stop from buying it. It has that black buffalo check, and it has the pumpkin. My favorite thing's pumpkin. We're in Columbus, Ohio, or in Ohio, and the pumpkin show is here in Columbus, and our whole world here in Ohio pretty much revolves around a pumpkin or something festival. So I had to get it. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in here. So in the button section, in the fabric decor, they have these holly buttons. They were just adorable. They were like $1.97, so I got it. Then they had snowmen. Had to get those too. You know how that goes. Then we have Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus and a reindeer. Had to get it. Then we had the whole gingerbread men. Had to get that one too. And I love dogs. So here's dogs with their bones. Had to get them. Not sure exactly what I'm going to use these all for, but they're cute. Here's a nativity scene. I just couldn't pass it up. I had to get them. You know what I mean? Just one of those things, you see stuff like this and you have to get it. So let me put all this back in there. And then we'll go on to my big one, Dollar Tree. This is, of course, a snow globe from Dollar Tree. They have the chocolate spoons. Everybody loves these. They're great for hot chocolate. Get you some peppermint and put that with it. It'd be amazing. Excuse me. Another snow globe. Then they had these sort of fixtures that you can put inside the snow globe. So I had to get them. This one is with a little light and a bench, and this one is a little brick wall and a tree. So I had to get it. Oh, and then there was more. So we have a snowman, and we have a sleigh with packages, and we have a little girl shoveling snow. Then we have Santa Claus, and we have, you know, a tree, and a little boy carrying a wreath. This one is a nativity. Well, like someone singing carols, a wishing well, and a tree. I had to buy them for my snow globes. So that way they'd be a little bit more, you know, cute. Had to get my truck. Had to get my truck. I have a thing for red trucks. Long story short, my dad had a red truck when I was a kid, and we used to ride in it. I was born in the 70s, but my dad had a big, giant red truck, just like this. So to me, it's more sentimental. I mean, I don't own a red truck. I haven't had a truck in my whole entire life, but my dad did. So that's why I like it. I got 2 of these. I'm going to try to do something else with these. And these are the trucks with the trees. And then I got 2 more. Yeah, 2 more of the houses. Maybe I'll make it, you know, a candy house or something. And it says, I gotta let it snow. And then I got a different one of these because it had the door cut out with another window. And I thought that would be interesting. So make a front door, make a back door, that kind of look. But that's to let it snow. Let me put all this stuff back. So that way we don't. And then I'll be putting it all away, of course. And at Hobby Lobby, I got some Mod Podge because I was out. The fun stuff we do. I saw another YouTuber have these gingerbread men. So, I had to get them. And what I'm going to do is probably do something different than what she did. But I really like them, so I got 2 of them. I figure I can make them more personalized. So that was something I had to get those. Then I got some more. I got some of this, all because I'm going to do the cues. I figured this would be cute. And I got me a mermaid. I don't know why. I love mermaids. Had to get it. I don't know what I'm going to use her for, but I got her. Let me put this stuff back. But this I'm going to keep out because I have other stuff that goes with it. So that way you can see what I got planned here. I got some picks from the Dollar Tree. I got some of the gold rope. And I got another one of these meshes. These will all be going in those wreaths that I'm going to be making. I figured I don't have any of this stuff, so it's best to have it. So that way I can... I saw another YouTuber use these pencils, these markers. So I got some. I really like them. I used one and it's all gone now, so I had to get some more. I got some white yarn for the gingerbread men to tie them off. I got some glitter to go in my snow globes. I got some of these little balls to go on my wreath. This one for the wreath, this one, and these ones. So I think I have enough to get started on those. So this is all going to be my wreath bag. Put it all in one spot. My last bag. I know, you're like, wow, she got a lot of stuff. No, I didn't actually. It was all over the course of a few days. I had to get it. So I got some of this. This, I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for, but I also got some blue as well. I figured not bad to have it. You never know when you may need it. Also got a bathtub. Don't know what I'm going to do with the bathtub yet, but there'll be something. I know it. This was at Walmart, and it was on clearance for $3.99, and it has all kinds of gnomes on it. So I had to get it because I'm gonna make a wreath or something with it. Haven't decided what yet. Everybody seems to not be able to get any pie pans, so I got 3, and I'm going to use them for a project, of course. I have a few more other things coming from Amazon. One is some wood beads because I don't have any. And I got some of the half wood beads to go on these as well. My husband ordered me a glue gun, a cordless one, because the glue gun that I have, if I lay it on its side, it literally just spews glue everywhere, and it's just an older one, and because it has a cord, I wanted to be a little bit more easier on myself and not have to deal with the cord always getting, tangled in my arm or falling, so I'm going to get a cordless one, so it's on its way. I'm hoping that this helps you guys understand a little bit about me. I have been a seamstress for over 30 years. Besides sewing, I've always been a crafter, from cakes to wreaths to Like, I have a Cricut. I have a few other projects I have going on. I can't wait to get them all started and to get them on there for you guys to see. So please be patient. I am trying my best. This is my first video with you guys, but I wanted to show you what my Christmas haul was. And I've been holding all this stuff up for about a week or so that way I can do one video and let you guys see exactly what I bought. I'm super excited about you guys. I really want to grow my channel to help others be able to make projects or sew. But if you guys have anything and you want to ask me a question, I definitely will answer you back. You guys have a great day, and I hope everything goes very well for you in the crafting and in family and life. Life has been hard for me this year. In March, I had some issues with having blood clots. Luckily, it's genetic. It's nothing caused by any, pandemic thing going on. But they have it now monitored, and I'm doing better. So that was a big reason to get my channel going, because it just sat here for 10 years waiting on me to get myself together. So guess what? I'm doing that now. But thank you very much for everything you guys done, and I'm very, very fortunate to have you guys. Thank you, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay,